everyone. Come back to our lesson now. Already we were discussing about a blind dog. Is it? Here the dog was not blind and here the dog is leading a blind fellow. Here in previous class we have discussed that the dog has lost its freedom because it was tied with a white ribbon which was given by ribbon winder to the blind person to lead him, because a old woman who was taking care of that blind fellow was died. So now the dog has taken the place of that woman, and now the dog is leading the blind fellow. What happens next? We shall look over the textbook. That is 10th paragraph, page number 48. Open your textbook and go through that, page number 48. 10th paragraph. To the extent of this loss, his master gained. Means here, to the extent of this loss, here who had lost something? Yes, definitely your guess is right. The dog has lost something. The dog has lost its freedom. And now the master has gained. Just because he is not sitting at a place, now he has got a dog. So he was wandering from one place to another place for his begging to earn his livelihood, so that he can gain more money. He moved about as he had never moved in his life. Means he was leading his life very luxuriously. He never led his life like that before. All day he was on his legs, led by the dog. All day he was on his legs. Means all day he used to walk from here and there with that dog, with the stuff in one hand and the dog lead in the other. He moved out of his home, a corner in a chowdhury veranda, a few yards of a market. What he was doing, he was having stuff in one hand. Stuff means a begging bowl. Okay, a begging bowl in one hand and the dog in another hand. You might have seen some of the fellows who are taking their dogs outside for a walk. They will be having a train in one hand, they walk behind the dog. Is it? Here also the blind person, in the same manner, he is having a ribbon in his one hand which was tied to the dog, and in another hand he was having a begging bowl, and he went out to the near to the chowdhury or veranda or somewhere else in a market. He was wandering. He had moved in there after the old woman's death. Means before the old woman's death, he was sitting at a same place. But now, after the old woman's death, when the dog entered in the life of a blind person, now he has got out for a walk. He had moved in there after the old woman's death. He started out early in the day. He found that he could triple his income by moving about instead of staying in one place. Means early in the morning he was going out from the home to earn his livelihood. And now he analyzed himself that if I sat only one side, then the fellows who are walking by me only can give the money. But if I wander, means if I start walking from one place to another place, I can earn more money. I can earn triple money as I was earning in the first. He thought himself and he set out for a walk. He moved down the chowdhury street, and wherever he heard people's voice, he stopped and held out his hands for alms. What he was doing? He was moving to the chowdhury streets and also to some of the streets of a market. And whenever he heard the voice of a person, why they are stressing here, heard the voice means he was blind. He cannot see the person. Is it? Whenever he heard the voice of a person, he will stop there itself and he is begging for alms to them. Okay, you might have seen such kind of people in a bus stand or railway station or somewhere else. Shops, schools, hospitals, hotels, he left nothing out. Means not only chowdhury, not only streets, he left nothing out. Wherever he wants, shops, schools, hospitals, wherever the place is, everywhere he is going to earn his livelihood by begging. He gave it up when he wanted the dog to stop and shouted like a bullock driver when he wanted to move on. Means when he wanted to stop the dog, he was walking with the dog. No? If you want to stop that dog, he was giving kick. Means he tugged. Means he will pull that ribbon which was tied to the neck of the dog, and the dog will stop. If you want the dog to Moo means he is making some kind of sounds, just like a bullock driver. He is making some kind of sound, her head like that. Is it? Here this fellow is also doing some kind of sounds to make him move forward. The dog protected his feet from going into pits or stomping against steps or stones and took him up inch by inch on safeguarded steps. See how beautiful the dog is. It is very loyal to him just because he was giving some kind of foods to him. So the dog protected that blind fellow, his feet from going into pits. Means when he was walking, there may be a pits or there may be a gutters. In those places, the dog was handling the blind person very carefully, and also he was just like a safeguard when he was coming along with the steps or stones or anything else. If there was wrong thing, then the dog was taking care of that blind person. For this side, people gave coins and helped him. Means for this side, as he was blind and he was having a dog, and the dog is leading that blind fellow, and the dog is taking care of that blind fellow. By seeing this, everyone will get admired and everyone will get mercy on him. So they are ready to give the coin to him. So they are giving the coins to him to help them. Means both of them, to the dog and also to the blind person. Children gathered round him and gave him things to eat. Means children who are fond of puppy and who are fond of seeing that such a kind of loyal puppy. So those will round around him and they are ready to give something to eat, and they are giving something to the blind person and also to the dog to eat something. A dog is essentially an active creature who punctuates his active rounds with well-defined periods of rest. But now this dog had lost all the rest. Means here we refer the dog to the tiger. Is it? Just it was attacking and it was growing like that. It looks like a tiger if it is well grown. Is it? Now here also the dog, we already know that the dog is essentially an active creature because we can train the dog according to our will and wish. It is intelligent creature also. It can learn easily than any other creatures. So it was a punctuate, means punctual. Its work is punctual. Time to time it is working. Here, but at this instance, here the dog has lost all its rest just because the blind person is fond of money, not of any other things. He was not taking care of the dog itself. Is it? He was always include himself in earning a money. He had rest only when the old man sat down somewhere. Means when the old man get tired of walking for himself, whenever he sat somewhere, then only the dog will get rest. Otherwise, he have to wander here and there, always with the blind fellow. At night, the old man slept with a cord turned around his finger. I can't take chance with you, he said. Means at night also he was not leaving the dog. Means he was not giving freedom to the dog. He tied the end of that ribbon to his finger just because he might have gone out of me. Means the dog might have there may be a chances of going out of me. Who can lead me if the dog has went away from me, like that? He thought himself, and he tied the string to his finger. He never left the dog alone, and he is telling that also, I can't take a chance of you. Means I don't want to take the chance of you. You have to be with me always, like that he said. A great desire to earn money more than ever before seized his master, so that he felt any restraint a waste of opportunity, and the dog had got to be continuously on his feet. Means in the greediness of earning money, he thought himself resting is not resting is just a waste of time, so I do not get rest, I do not take rest anywhere. So what we have to do is always we have to wander here and there. So he took the dog for walking always. Means he is taking the dog to beg always with him. So there was no rest at all to the dog. In the night time, he had to work for the safetyness of the blind fellow. But in the daytime, he had to work along with that fellow by walking. So he do not have any rest. Sometimes his legs refused to move, but if he slowed down even slightly, his master goaded him on fiercely with his staff. Means what he was doing. Sometimes the dog will get tired and he was going very slowly. But now what he was doing, his blind master goaded him on fiercely with his staff. Means with his staff he was doing some actions. Hey, move, like that. Okay, he was doing some actions. And the dog whined and grounded under his thrust. Means he was grounded, means here he is provoking the dog to move forward. He was provoking the dog, means he was kicking something. So he was provoked to move forward, and he was whined. Whined means making loud cry. Loud cry. When we get angry, we are making this loud cries like that. Here the blind fellow is making loud cries. Don't whine, you rascal. Don't I give you your foot? You want to loaf, do you? So the blind man. Means what he was doing, he is saying like that. Don't whine. Hey, don't do such cries. Don't do such loud cries. The dog was doing such a loud cry just because he was kicking with his stuff. So he was doing some loud cries. You know that whenever you beat a dog with a stone, they will do loud cries. Is it with the pain? Like that here also he was doing loud cry. So he is shouting at the dog that, hey, don't cry, you rascal, why are you crying? I am giving food to you now, then why are you doing like that? Do you want me to make a loop? Like that he is blaming the dog. The dog lumbered up and down and round the marketplace on slow steps straight down to the blind tramp. Means here the dog lumbered up and down. Here you see they have given lumber means cause difficulty by giving unwanted responsibilities. Means he was giving some unwanted responsibilities to the dog. He was also walking from up and down to the market. Unnecessarily he is taking walk to the, he is giving walk to the dog, and he tied down to the blind tramp. Means blind tramp. That here the blind fellow has tied him to the tramp. Long after traffic at the market ceased, you could hear the night stabbed by the far-off wail of a tired dog. It lost its original appearance. As months rolled on, bones stuck up at his haunches and ribs were relieved through his fading coat. Means you just see, long after traffic at the market ceased, means after getting a traffic there was so much of traffic in the market, then at the night time he will be getting some amount of food and he is going to rest somewhere else. The tired dog is getting rest here. You just see, the people got mercy over the blind person and they gave a ribbon to him to take the dog along with him to lead him. But now the blind person is greedy over money, is not taking care of the dog, is not giving any kind of food to the dog, is not ready to give enough amount of food to the dog. So it lost its original appearance at the first. Before getting life of that blind fellow, he was very happy. Dog was very happy. It was wandering here and there. It was getting food from all others and it was taking rest at the gutters. So it has some of freedoms. It has friends. It has foes. But now it lost everything. Even its appearance also lost. Just because he is not getting enough amount of food from that blind fellow. After a month's roll, means after a few months, the bones stuck up at its haunches. Means whenever a person is very lean, we can see the bone structures. Is it? Here the dog is very lean. So we can even count the bones of the dog. Means here haunches relieved means bone of back leg standing out. Bone of the back leg standing out means that does not have any muscles. It looks like only a bones or a skeleton. And ribs were relieved through his fading coat. Fading coat means his skin faded. Already his skin has lost its color. Next we shall move the 11th paragraph. The ribbon seller. Now at the first the ribbon seller has given a white ribbon to the blind fellow. Is it? Now he comes back in this chapter, in the 11th paragraph. The ribbon seller, the novel wonder and the perfumer observed it one evening when business was slack and held a conference among themselves. It rends my heart to see that poor dog slaving. Can't we do something? The ribbon seller remarked. The rascal has started lending money for interest. I hear from the fruit seller he is earning more than he needs. He has become a very devil of money. At this point of perfumer's eyes caught the scissors dangling from the ribbon rack. Give it here, he said, and moved on with the scissors in his hand. You just see what they did. The ribbon seller, the novel vendor and the perfumer who were sitting along the corner side, along the corridor of that market, they were selling their things there. They are also the friends of the dog at the first. Is it? They three members have seen that one evening when their business was slack, means when this business was over, they held conference for themselves, means they held meeting for themselves. They used to talk themselves about that dog. It rends my heart to see that poor dog slaving. Can't we do something? The ribbon seller remarked. Here the ribbon seller has given the white ribbon to tie to his neck. Is it? So here he is getting mercy over the dog now. Just because the dog has become very lean and all the bones has came out, it was looking just like a skeleton. And so that he is saying to the co-sellers that I am getting so much of heart to my heart just because I have tied the ribbon to its neck to lead that blind fellow. But that blind fellow had made the poor dog a slave. Can't we do something? Can't we help the dog? Can't we make him free from him? Like that he is asking. The ribbon seller remarked, the rascal has started lending money for interest. I hear from the fruit seller he is earning more than he needs. He has become a very devil for money. At this point the perfumer's eyes caught the scissors dangling from the ribbon rack. Means here the fruits they were discussing themselves that yes, I also heard that rascal, means here they are referring blind fellow as a rascal. That rascal has started lending money, means he is earning more money and he is lending that money for interest. I know that, I came to know that from a fruit seller. He is earning more than he wants and he is not giving any food to that dog. He has become a devil of money. So what we have to do? We have to make the dog free from a blind fellow. Like that they thought themselves. And here a perfume vendor who was searching for something to make him free, he caught out with his eyes caught a scissor from a ribbon rack. Means the ribbon vendor was having one rack there, and even he too have scissor. Is it there? That was seen by a perfume vendor. And give it here. He asked to the ribbon vendor, give it here. Means he took the scissor and he went up to the blind fellow. Yes. Why he took that scissor? What he was doing next? What he will do next? And what may happen in the life of a dog in the next days? What will be going on? We shall see in our next class, that is 12th paragraph. After taking the scissor from a ribbon vendor, here the perfume vendor went to the dog. Okay, what he will do? We shall see in our next class. Until then, what you have to do is go through the lesson. Means you have to read the lesson in your textbook twice or thrice. Then only you can understand what actually was going on in the life of a dog. And you can analyze why the writer has written the name as a blind dog. Okay.